let us introduce our team members. Our supervisor is Mat Iskandar. Our team member is Muhammad and Afiq, and also Indina and Aimi.
Banjir di Terengganu bertambah buruk dengan banjir gelombang kedua mula melanda di Terengganu menjadi kawasan terbaru dilanda banjir gelombang.
Flood disaster not only claimed the lives of victims, but also placed our rescue heroes at extremely high risk. Strong currents and isolated areas often become major obstacles in search and rescue operations. So, the question is, how can we save lives without risking other lives? Now, we will introduce an innovation that could transform the way victims are rescued in high-risk areas, and introduce an innovative solution to provide help more quickly and deliver aid safely to communities that often face delay in receiving help during floods.
Our project title is Flood Rescue Drone, an innovation designed to save lives during flood disasters. Let's take a look at the technology inside this drone and how it works to support rescue missions. Among the components found in this rescue drone are a camera, GPS module, LED lights, a rescue sling, a high-capacity battery, landing gear, and a storage box. Each component of the rescue drone plays an important role in supporting flood rescue operations. First, the rescue sling. It is designed to lift victims from dangerous flooded areas and move them to a safer location quickly.
Second, the storage box. This compartment delivers essential supplies like food, water, and emergency kits directly to those stranded. Third, the camera. It records the flood situation in real time and helping rescue teams identify the exact location of victims faster. Fourth, the GPS module. It provides accurate navigation and allows the control center to monitor the drone's movement throughout the mission. Fifth, the high-capacity battery. This powers the entire system, enabling long-range flights and extend operating times in emergency zone. Next, the sensors. These are used to detect obstacles, monitor water depth, and detect body heat to ensure a safe and effective rescue. Finally, the LED lights. This provides visibility during nighttime or dark weather, helping the drone see and be seen by victims and rescuers.
Why is it important? Firstly, deliver emergency aid quickly. Secondly, assist victims in hard-reached area. Thirdly, speed up search and rescue operations. Finally, improve the safety of rescue teams. How innovation works. Starting with drones, equipped with cameras to monitor flooded areas in real time. Then, GPS system helps to track victims' location accurately. Next, drones carry supplies such as food, water, and emergency kits. It is also equipped with sensors to monitor water depth and equipped with rescue sling to help lift victims to a safe place.
Impact on society. It allows emergency aid to be delivered immediately. This helps rescue teams to locate victims faster. It accelerates search and rescue operation. Also has potential for wide application in disaster management. Ultimately, it helps to improve public safety and reduce loss of life.
Thank you for your attention. We believe that this innovation can help improve flood rescue operations and support safer, more resilient communities in the future. Thanks.
That was when I ruled the world.